Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Happy Friday. Today is another unboxing video. So as you know, on August 11th, so about 2 weeks and 2 days ago, we unboxed the Series 5 Apple Watch. And we unboxed it, and I'm actually wearing it as I'm filming it. It's 7:43. So yes, so we unboxed that and it did great. There were a lot of views and likes, and I appreciate it. And so today we are unboxing the AirPod Pros that came into the mail today. Now if you think I'm flexing, I'm not, and I apologize if you think I am flexing. I just want to show off my accomplishments, and the fact that I'm able to purchase this, because of making videos and doing everything like that. So I thank you for your support. So if you think I'm flexing, like I said, I apologize for that. But today we are unboxing the AirPod Pros. Alright, so it looks nice. Came in the mail today. Looks good. Apple product. It's Apple. Yay. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Let's open this box. And dun da 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 da. Okay, well that's not very special. Okay, hold on. Okay. So there it is. Designed by Apple. You know what? Before we look at the Apple Watch, what does this say? I'm not even going to look at the Apple Watch. I haven't seen it, so this is my first time seeing it with you guys. So let me grab out what this stuff says. Hold on. Okay. So this is what it says. AirPod Pros. It's a whole, like, pamphlet. Okay, what does it say? AirPod Pros. To connect, use your phone. Okay, we can do that. Simple enough. Alright, so here we go then. Let us officially unbox the Apple Watch. Not the Apple Watch, the AirPods. Here we go. Sweet. Yo, you ready to open this and see? Ta-da, dun, da, 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 da. Yo, those are sick. Guys, look at that. That is sick. What else? Is there anything else in here? I have to pull this tab. What is this? Oh, we get a charger. Nice, good. We need that. And what is this? What are these? Not 100% sure what these are. If you know what these are, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm not 100% sure what this really is. But we got the charger. That's great. Awesome. Fantastic. We'll open that. Then we got whatever this is. Oh, wait, I figured it out. If you guys can see, if it's focused. Good, it's focused. You see the AirPod, and then you can replace it, because I guess, let me show you on the actual AirPod. I guess you could actually replace this with this. I'm not 100% sure how. Let me figure that out. I think you have to open these. Oh, I figured it out. Alright, so you have to take this part and open it. And then open that. Oh, and then you can change the size. I think this size is fine. Yeah, I think it works. Yeah. Alright, but good to know that we have those. I don't remember how it goes back. It goes this. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna put that back in this box. And I'm just gonna not touch it. Okay. I feel like I'm breaking stuff, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna put that back. Just not even touch it. Alright, so but anyways, here are the AirPods. Let me take them out of its charging spot, I guess. So there are the AirPods. They look really cool. This, I assume it says left, or yeah, you see the L, if it'll focus. Why can't you see the L? Oh yeah, there you go. If you could see the L right there where my finger is, that's the L, so that's cool. And then I guess this is the R. And then this, I guess this is the case that it comes in. So I guess, oh, wait, let me show you. I'm figuring this out as we go. All right, here we go. All right. Okay. So you have the charger, and so you plug it in. You take this, and you plug it in to this, and then you plug this into an outlet. I don't have a box. Oh yes, I do. I have a box. So let me try it. Hold on. Let me just set this up. Oh wait, what? I just realized I thought I could use this charger box that I have from actually the Apple Watch. I thought I could use this box, but this is what it needs to fit into. I guess this could go into like your computer or something, but I don't have my PC up here. But I guess that's how it's supposed to go. That's pretty cool. So again, guys, here are the AirPods. Let me clean this up and let me get back to the original box. And yeah, hold on. Let me just quickly clean this up. And I'm knocking stuff over as we speak. Okay. Left, right. Just throw this on. So these, ladies and gentlemen, are the official AirPod Pros. Like I said, without your support, I wouldn't be able to get the AirPods Pros or the Series 5 Apple Watch. So I thank you so much. Your support is always greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's always been a goal of mine to hit 100 subscribers by the end of 2020. And I would really appreciate it if you could help me reach my goal. It's been a passion of mine since I first started YouTube. I wanted to hit 100 subscribers. And we're at 66. So I know we can get the 34, hopefully, by the end of 2020. So please like, comment, share with any of your friends who like AirPods or have AirPods or want to know what AirPods are like. They seem really cool. If you want, I'll do a review of the AirPods in a couple days. Like once I start using it, I'll let you know how they are. But like I said, thank you so much for your support. You guys are the best, and thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. That's it. Peace.